Hey, man, that's why boss I represent Jamaica Live on Broad TV. You hear that? Don't miss out this. That's how I like, man.
Who God bless, no man curse. You know what Australia is 100% confirmed the artist is here. But people, I don't know how people by DJ now from Jamaica. So there's one of those that no smoking in the building, right? No smoking in the building. One is in the car, and one by the table. Alright, action!
Well, alright, man, this is something you guys said. You understand me? Big up to all the young people the fullest. You understand me? Big up to all the way you check out. What is here here? Let's do something. Let's go back to you. What's that here there? Yeah, Mr. Bear. There you go.
Boss, I represent Jamaica Live on Broad TV. You hear that? Don't miss out this. That's how I like, man.
Everything good. energy and a very sympathy. Shipping, you know, we're not playing constant on your marriage. And the one I comes and roll out this. The one I comes and roll out to one of my video. And you call out all the big guns there. You have some face. One of the big guns that they are calling out. You see it? The one of the big guns that there. You see it? And I realize. Share our people, not to worry yourself. Because it's like state and nature in there. You're going to think about it. But when I die there, everything good. You see it? Show up the whole general and more on this.
That's what I'm England. Push them up. Worker General, big up yourself. Tyrone, big up. Immortalize. Listen, DJ Gargamel fly from Jamaica money spent, flight book, hotel book, girl pussy book. So listen, you son of selector from Jamaica flying, we have to endorse them and be that time something, right? So I'm going to show them to support the thing. The DJ, let's fuck up in there in a minute, right? Yo, that person, Mr. Lewis, 7 minutes. Not British, government, don't worry, you control one man in the house.
Them friend, every week them fix them down. Big up Paul who know you stay loyal to the link and you never sell out. Why? All who know you're a pussy against your friend them. She was a friend and in her ear. Because they are your friend, she was a friend and in her ear. All who know your mom for free friend, she was a friend and in her ear. All who know she was a friend and in her ear. She was your mom for one friend and in her ear. Sing call it to for them.
Yes, I'm
But to salute the call it to for them. When you believe that you will say, God, okay, so. Let's say this song. Hold on, put up the question. Yes. So everything goes on my time. Let's turn it on. Oh, someone will real to you and true to you. Sing the part of love and me.
Look, people are running. I don't know if I know where you want to show up. Don't do I want to get jump up on your blood clot life. When the man is going to say you're better, but you can't control your blood clot. Your boss! Go! Nothing else serious. You got some people. We got some people. They have a native idea. Put on close blood clot cells. How many minutes? Is it 4 minutes? Is it 3? Is it 3? Alright, bad British, we're going to go over here. We're going to get 3 minutes. 3 minutes after bad British. Go! Alright, super, we're not over here. Don't worry. 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
What is it?
Yes, people. Oh, my bless no one curse. The bad DJ here from Jamaica. Margaret! What this really is for you, Margaret, right? What we don't need here, there are people, they're not Margaret. You know, we have big fat dog over there, wash up the whole of Jamaica. Now, DJ wash up the whole of Europe, so they get used to it when they're on party. DJ Margaret, let's be there. DJ Margaret, Jamaica, finest, straight from Jamaica. So I'm going to love them, that's it. Can you hear them? But people don't share it. Stop now. That's the family I want. Share them with them, people about the area. I want to say, that one nation, take up your present. One of the things we make from start. Play low to the DJ, low. Just
hear the car. Now the whole song puts a good attack. Make it happen. She doesn't say that you buy anything from my house. You've been over here by this 5 bars and it's the game with the right. That's not a thing. What's the problem? When you give me a one with the extra grip and you bring it to the one that like an extra grip. Me have to go see now your pussy like an extra grip. You're kind of too cute. So the minute you have to bring me a Leave the motion. With the other stage, I already know I chat one song, I know the time still, but sing one song, far.
Alright, you see that one here? AMG UK produced that one here. It's called Uplock Anthem. Listen to it. When my heart went with it. them want ask if I are the when we step. Just say people on feet, me now wear no crepe. Yo, shrimpy, I don't know the shrimps. Tell them, all these are also taking on the enemy about 25 in the morning. Tell them, finish up here like the about. Come here, we stick to it like the mafia black. Money up in stock, money up in fire. Money for the wife, money for the child.
I saw the stage, I said you the road. I saw the stage show on one side. I never said time, I'm forward bro, I'm saying one more to say it, I'm giving the show moving, that's it. preaching and that man say one and here. A bonus song is no more hard life and the struggles. How proud of ourselves. Them say the final one say no we can't come here and sing this one here. No. How proud of yourself and see one and here. Sing this to me. No. Cause I know me alone. I just
Yeah, respect the singer last one here, yeah? So good. Where's the lady she? Look at six.
everyone go, no. Go right now, me alone. I'm not. Angels, I just you don't say one, I guess. Sing, take it. Right. My two hands out and I just can't feel it. Everything seems down, just I think, oh, forget myself, nobody stop out it, oh. This is good friends, gone, girl, when it close. I just like let nature take its course. You don't hurt me too much. Who give me stick to the chin, how we been done. I don't know about all night. I'm proud of my girl, sing to me now. Go down, I was it's a darkness time for me, guys. It's my two hands out and sing it, touch the light. Dark moon like lonely and cold like ice. When the person go my pain is me and Christ. Everybody want me meet and just see it on lies. Nobody know what we read and pay the price. This is everything the evil find the peace in Christ. We Jesus as this and it's got me be like. But I don't know what I like before we come in. When the singers are coming out and burning, don't go. Yeah, I'm there. I just take it up. Big up the fiancé, JM, big up the one. She'll be putting so much of that mass. I mean, I know it's like that, seriously. Everything like that. You know, but I'm not going to see you. But I can do it, man. I'm general. People! Let's not give them to share, now, we give respect to them. Turn off the music. We can turn off the music and talk to the people. Yeah, we'll do that something. We're going to send them. We're going to keep our songs to them. Straight. We're going to tell the people good night. Don't tell me that. Don't do that. That's a nice time. Are you there? Yeah, well, big up security. Manager and respect. And you keep the safety stuff. You don't have to catch up me already, right? Manager and respect, right? And big up all that security then. We just want to say on behalf of AMG UK Entertainment. They don't know what share now. Trust me, people have come support the thing. So if I pick up every single person that I enchant and support the thing. Jen, you talk about the place, leave them love you. You know yourself, Jen, love support, see? Love is fast, you know yourself, straight. Pump fast. Where they are yourself, I'm not here. Lagos 6. Can you? Outside. The agent, you know yourself. Thank you very much. You know yourself, maybe I know them, kill them or something. Yeah. The Steve of the station, come to guys, over this. No one first. Yeah. Agent, thank you, right? Come here, come live, brother.
No one is happy. First is a September, you come down there. Also, speakers and Renee's bed.
Outside. It's a tape?
Okay.
Put it downstairs and put it back upstairs.
Yeah, outside.
Yeah.
That's
serious, you know me I represent for
Jamaican
Life Abroad.
TV, yeah.
TV, them don't know nothing about it.
Okay.
Breakfast
outside.
in Rome and lunch in Paris. Big up Swelgy, them don't know nothing about it. Sea View and big up Spanish Town, the Vanished Clown, them don't know nothing about me. That's serious a chat.
Okay.
If I'm lying, I'm dying. Hello? Hi.
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.